Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sum only filter data. So we will use the subtotal function. So standard function like sum will continue to calculate hidden rows, whereas subtotal automatically ignores rows hidden by a filter. So what we need to do is just paste in, for example, this function subtotal. I put 109, A2, A100. So like that. Um, and yeah. Um, so why this works? 109, this will tell Google Sheet to perform a sum operation and will ignore hidden things. So using the 100 series code, ensure that formula also ignores rows you have manually right clicked and hidden in addition to those hidden by filter. And yeah, this is pretty much it how you can do that. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next